Okay, today we're going to be talking about these, and this is the present simple, okay? And this is part of the first unit, el tiempo presente simple, that happens in the present, happens today, que pasa hoy en el presente. I want you to look at this text, and question for you. What is similar between these verbs? What is similar between loves and studies and takes and waits and has? ¿Qué tendrán en común esos verbos? They all have in common the S, right? Todos tienen en común la S. So this is one of the things that happen in the present simple, and today we're going to talk about three things. Vamos a hablar acerca de tres cosas. The uses, the rules, los usos, las reglas, and also we are going to see some exercises. Vamos a ver algunos ejercicios por ahí. The first thing is this. So it says, uses, this is for you to know how to use it better. Okay, esto es para que ustedes sepan mejor o comprendan mejor cómo se ocupa este tiempo. The first use is duties, okay, responsabilidades. For example, she works every day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ella trabaja todos los días desde las 8 hasta las 6. Esa es una responsabilidad. That is happening in the present, right? Que pasa en el presente. Routines or habits, rutinas, ¿no es cierto? Hábitos. They watch Netflix every Monday. Ellos ven Netflix todos los lunes. Esa es su rutina, every Monday. Water freezes at 0 degrees. El agua se congela a los 0 grados, right? So there we have another, something that is always true, okay? Another use. Or the most of people know that working that way. Esto es algo que siempre es verdad, que la mayoría de las personas saben que funciona de esta manera, right? We all know that water freezes at 0 degrees. So we have rules for the verb be and also for other verbs. Tenemos reglas para el verbo be y para otros verbos. In this case, we have I am, she is, he is, it is, you are, we are, they are. Estos son pronombres, ¿no es cierto? Reemplazan al sustantivo, entonces es el sujeto de la oración. I, yo, she, ella, he, él, it, él o ella para animal o cosa, you, tú o ustedes, we, nosotros, they, ellos o ellas, right? So they always go like this in the present form. Siempre van así en la forma presente. And also in the affirmative form, también en la forma afirmativa, oraciones positivas. This is the complete form, es la forma completa. So I can say, I am a student, for example. Yo soy una estudiante. She is a student. You are students, right? The verb be is ser o estar. Remember that. So, I am a student. Yo soy una estudiante. Ella es una estudiante. Ustedes son estudiantes. We also have something that is called the short form. And we usually use this when we are speaking. Usualmente lo ocupamos cuando estamos hablando. Entonces, en vez de decir I am, I say am. ¿Ok? Con la comita, el apóstrofo. She is, she's. Right? You are, you're. We're, they're. Right? So, this is the short form. And it means the same. Significa exactamente lo mismo, solamente que aquí está abreviado. We have some more rules for common verbs. Tenemos algunas reglas para verbos comunes, o sea, todos los demás verbos que no hacen el verbo be. And here we have three examples. Let's start for the first one. So it says, I play, as you can see. And this is something that you have to know. The verb doesn't change, el verbo no cambia, in the positive form, en la forma positiva, ¿ok? Con las personas son los pronombres I, you, we, or they. ¿Ok? No cambia con ellos, no pasa nada. For example, I play football. Yo juego fútbol, right? You play football, we play football, they play football. And here is another example, and also another one even. We have I go to the supermarket. You go, we go, they go. I study, you study, we study, they study. So it doesn't change. Como ven, no cambia, right? Se mantiene igual el verbo. El problema es, or the thing is, not the problem, but the thing is that it changes with the third person singular. Cambia con la tercera persona del singular. For example, here I have she, here, it. Esta es la tercera persona del singular. Ella, él o él para persona, o sea, perdón, para animal o cosa. Y aquí es donde yo cambio el verbo en la forma presente. And the verb can change in 3 different ways. El verbo puede cambiar en 3 maneras diferentes. For example, the verb play, que cae dentro de la categoría de la mayoría de los verbos, se cambia a plays. She plays, he plays, it plays. El verbo go, que es una excepción, Ahí vamos a ver qué pasa con esas excepciones y cómo reconocerlas. Se convierte en she goes, he goes, it goes, right? Y el verbo study, como pueden ver, se convierte en she studies, he studies, it studies, okay? So, in the present simple, for the third person singular, we have these three possibilities. Tenemos estas tres posibilidades, ¿no es cierto? S, ES y ES, solo con la tercera persona del singular, que es she, her, it. Ahora, it says, be careful, cuidado. The verb have is different. El verbo have es diferente, because it changes like this. Tenemos el verbo have, ¿no es cierto? Y nosotros diríamos, pero si va con she, her, it, agregamos solo una S. No. The verb have changes into has, okay? Not have is, has. So I have, you have, we have, they have, and she has, he has, it has. Okay, it's like an exception, es una excepción. Here are the rules that I was telling you. So, for most of verbs, para la mayoría de los verbos agregamos 10, la S, como play, plays, right? I play, yo juego, she plays, ella juega. There are some exceptions, as I was telling you. So, for the verbs that end in, para los verbos que terminan en X, X, doble S, doble Z, SH, CH, O, letra O, you add ES, agregan ES. For example, fix, fixies, bus, buses, kiss, kisses, watch, washes, watch, watches, go, goes. That's it. So, she fixes, he washes, you watch, en este caso, ¿no es cierto? Si yo tuviera tú, solamente mantengo el verbo, pero no le agrego nada. Pero en cambio, si yo tuviera it, refiriéndome a un animal, por ejemplo, it watches, ¿ok? Only with she, her, it happens this. Solo con ella, él o esto, it, ocurre lo que está aquí. Y luego tenemos la otra excepción, que es IES. ¿Y cuándo ocurre esto? When the verb ends with consonant plus Y. Cuando el verbo termina en consonante Y. Por ejemplo, study. ¿Ok? So, study. Consonante, ¿no es cierto? Eso es una consonante. Y una Y se convierte en studies. Cambio la Y por una I latina. Study, studies. Ok. We have some time expressions, expresiones de tiempo que usualmente van en estas oraciones en el presente simple. Y que nos indican más o menos en cuánto dura la acción, right? So we have every day, todos los días. I have lunch every day. Yo almuerzo todos los días. Often, a menudo, usually, usualmente, sometimes, a veces, always, siempre, never, nunca. ¿Ok? I never watch TV. Yo nunca veo televisión. So there you have a routine. Ahí tengo una rutina, pero como una rutina negativa, right? And it is in the present. Here we have some examples to practice. So I want you to point because you cannot circle. No van a poder encerrar en un círculo, pero quiero que apunten the best option to complete the sentence. Okay, la mejor opción para completar esta oración. It says, a doctor take or takes care of patients. What do you think? What should be the answer here? De acuerdo a lo que hemos visto, ¿cuál debería ser la respuesta? Take or takes? So the answer, as you know, should be takes, right? And why is the answer takes? ¿Por qué será la respuesta takes and not take? Porque, ¿no es cierto? A doctor refers to he, or it also can refer to she. Tercera persona singular, right? So I need to add the S to the verb. That's it. Okay, perfect. Next one. So point to the best option here. Sam and Lily sing or sings well. What do you think? It is sing, right? Why is it sing? ¿Por qué será sing? We're going to change the color because Sam and Lily refers to they, right? Se refiere a ellos. We're talking about two people that I'm not included, so I refer to they and I don't need the S. Para they no necesito S en la forma presente. Positiva. Complete with the right form of the present simple. So here we have to complete. And how can we complete this? ¿Cómo podríamos completar esto? You work or works in a school? And it is You work in a school, right? I don't need the S. No necesito la S, así que el verbo queda igual. That's it. It's that easy. I think that this is almost the last one. Okay. My husband go to work every day. What is the verb there? What is the correct verb? ¿Cuál será el verbo correcto? It is goes, right? I need these. Why? Vamos a ver. Porque me estoy refiriendo a quién? A he, right? Él, mi esposo. Okay. But why is it goes and not like this? Why is this wrong? ¿Por qué estará esto malo? And we need to remember the rule, right? Tenemos que recordar nuestra regla que acabamos de hablar. We add es when the verb ends with o. Cuando el verbo termina en o y estamos con la tercera persona singular, que es esta, I need to add es. Agrego es y no solo la s. Okay. Let's see this. And here I have another one. So it says the patient have an allergy. What is the answer here? What do you think? In this case, I need has. So remember that. Has is an exception, right? Because, well, I need the S, necesito la S en el verbo, sé eso, porque me refiero a the patient, right? So the patient can be she, ella, or it can be also he, right? And maybe I think, or I thought, okay, so if it is she or he, I should do something like this. Debería ser algo como esto, has. But then you need to remember, okay, no, that's wrong because have is an exception, so it becomes into has. Es una excepción así que se convierte en has, okay? And, well, that is all for now. So I want you to work on your booklet. You have time to do this. Quiero que trabajen en su booklet con calma, okay? So do pages 3 to 5, páginas 3 a las 5, verbo to be, and also pages 7 to 10 that talk about the present simple, que hablan acerca del presente simple. Okay, so that is all for today and hope that you can do this well. If you have any questions, you can just write them and ask them in the Zoom class. Si tienen preguntas, pueden escribirlas y hacerlas en la clase en Zoom.